I can't move it. Wow! Looked like it hit the big banana tree on the beach. But the odds against that are incredible. Boy, it sure is hot here. I'm no geologist, but judging by these conchoidal fractures, I'd say this is a piece of flint. Well, check out this note while I'm at it. To the Monkey Island Cannibals. I don't mind you worshipping in front of the sacred monkey idol, which doubles as my home and secret base of operations. But could you please refrain from leaving messy sacrifices on my porch? Also, please do not enter the monkey head. G.P. LeChuck. Herman, please return our key to the monkey head. The cannibals.
This is an old friend of mine, the one I sailed here with. He's lost weight. Never looked better.
What happened to him?
Oh, nasty accident. He was trying to put up a swing.
You're the only one on the island?
I'm the only civilized person on the island. There's a native tribe of hunter-gatherers. Well, head hunter-gatherers, actually. But I don't talk to them. They are cannibals, but they're not dangerous. Unless you lend them something.
I'm Guybrush. I'm here to rescue someone.
Well, here I am. Glad you came to rescue me. Though you might have been a bit earlier. The fine on that overdue library book should be pretty big by now. Let's go!
That's not exactly what I meant. I sailed here in pursuit of the governor of Melee Island, who's been kidnapped by a ghost.
Oh, fine. Don't rescue me. I like it here. The rain on my head, the wind at my back, the bugs on my plate.
Well, perhaps I could take you back too. But I've got to rescue the governor first. I think she's on that ghost ship underground.
Oh, okay.
What happened to your pants?
What pants?
How did you get stranded here?
Well, I sailed here with a friend of mine 20 years ago. We hoped to discover the secret of Monkey Island, but my friend met with a horrifying and tragic accident, which claimed his life. And I couldn't sail the ship back by myself. I trained a bunch of chimps to crew the ship and sail it back to Melee Island. They were supposed to get help and come back for me. Something must have happened.
How come you didn't just go with the chimps?
Weeks on a boat full of monkeys. Oh, joy!
Did you lend something to the cannibals?
I lent my banana picker to them, and they never gave it back. As collateral, they gave me this enormous cotton swab. It opens the monkey head, see? Not like I ever need to go into the monkey head. But if they want it back, I've got to have my picker first. It's a matter of pride, you know.
Why don't you just give me the key to the monkey head?
No, I needed to get back my banana picker.
Excuse me, I've got some pressing business to attend to.
Yes, me too.
He doesn't look good. I don't see anything special about it. That doesn't seem to work. Private property. Worshipping is permitted, but please do not enter the monkey head. G.P. LeChuck. Shish kebab. Yipes. Shishka Joe. Shishka Larry. Heap.
That monkey head's some piece of work, eh? Nasty case of yellow waxy buildup, though. Ugh.
What?
Oh, nothing. Never mind.
Excuse me, I've got some pressing business to attend to.
Yes, me too.
The artist carved his name on it. Made by Red Skull. I better leave it here. Notice of public meeting. There will be a meeting Wednesday evening to discuss the recent occupation of the sacred monkey head by the ghost pirate LeChuck, and the subsequent impact on the environment and the tourist trade. All Monkey Island cannibals are encouraged to attend. That's strange. It says sea monkey. Boy, it sure is hot here. I don't see anything special about it. When you set sail for good value, all winds blow towards stands. Warning: contains strong magnet which may interfere with other navigational equipment. It doesn't seem to open.